queens from all over the world hit the stage to prove they're the best dancer. And weren't we entertained? Watch this.
Jamaican princesses, 10 international princesses, but only one can be the queen of the Mecca.
They have to execute the dance move with creativity.
Welcome to Dancehall, queen of the Mecca.
You know we go.
Whooping at them head. Whooping at them head. Hey, you think me a ramp with them boy? Yeah? Them know some sick like Ayatollah. Chat them a chatter we run boy. Whooping at them head. Whooping at them head.
Whenever we make our decision, don't chastise him if you don't choose the person who will take the home. It is based on what they see. The dancers are not going one with themselves.
I thought it was very diverse. The dancers proved that they were ready for this level of competition. Everybody represented well. The Jamaicans, the foreigners, them all do good.
Shelly, what was it like for you tonight?
The experience was nice. It gave me a chance to really see with Jamaican dancers, them need for going on some research because on the can't make the other people them all do it.
Nikki, what was it like for you tonight?
I'm not telling you, the vibes are nice. All of the dancers them come out and them go on with themselves. The decision was great. All of the dancers big up on yourself, who did a great job.
Right now we're here with the Jamaican queen of the Mecca, Raquel Carson. First of all, Raquel, big congratulations.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be the 2024 queen of the Mecca?
It feels really good. I'm proud of myself. I put in the work and I got success, so that's just wonderful for me.
What was the whole experience like for you?
Well, it was very nerve-wracking. And I just had to dance no matter what, and that's what I did, and I'm proud.
And right now we're here with the international winner, queen of the Mecca, Miss Panama in the...
Thank you so much, Sanjay, for this opportunity. It's amazing.
Melody, what was it like for you tonight?
Amazing. I just have a lot of months preparing myself, and I know I saw the results, so I feel very happy.
Daddy Boo! As host of Queen of the Mecca tonight, what was it like for you?
It was fantastic, pure talent.
And right now we're here with Ali Vanille, one of the organizers of Queen of the Mecca. Ali Vanille, what was this experience like for you, organizing the 2024 edition of Queen of the Mecca?
This year was epic and exciting. The girls gave 100% and it was a real hard job for the judge. So I'm very happy that we gave this big opportunity to so much talent.
Congratulations to Raquel Team Caution and Miss Panama, Queens of the Mecca 2024.
Congrats to the winners and big up the Dancehall Mecca. Sanjay, great job. So with all these entertainers jetting in, I wonder if they're here for a big party. Look out for the crew at Woodman's Barbecue and Rebel Salute tonight. And remember, no matter which party you go to, drink responsibly. Up next, January festivities. Intense Soup Forward.